The site is located at the balcony of IA Art Gallery in School of Housing, Building and Planning, USM.
There are piles of debris accumulating at the site. They are actually the unused wood and furniture. After taking the measurements, we group 8 members collaborate with other group members in the decluttering process.
We have a discussion among all groups to distribute the site area.
We find unused materials and together we carried those selected materials to the site.
The artworks are collected from studio projects and design workshop.
We spray the rusted steel rack with silver color. Then, we cut and paste the laser paper around it.
We paint and decorate our works.
This project required to create storage area for first-year students in 2020 and 2021 batch. So we decided to choose obsession as our concept. Basically, obsession is about us as a designer have an intention to express our feeling despite of making the space more captivating. We applied this style as our inspiration and style of our area.
Space is a part of the element in design, so we try to design the space area for the artwork storage so we can keep all the artwork safely. The main purpose why we try to design this area is to protect all the artwork from the damage and natural disaster. This project take 2 week progress to set it up from declutter, organize, beautify, and also the documentation video.
This is a cabinet that we use to store the mask, sculpture and portfolios that produced by first year students in 2020 and 2021. Since our concept were obsession, we painted this cabinet into red, blue, yellow and white. This cabinet was brown color and used in Studio 200. It was also used to store masks and sculpture in Studio 200. Therefore, we decided to move it here and reuse it for our storage area.
We made this rack by using the existing material, which is display board and stainless steel pole. For the stainless steel pole, we nailed the pole on the top of the display boards to hang all the shapes. To beautify it, we take the masking tape to make line and random square size. Also, we paint the display board by using Puraka Mural color paint according to our design style and color scheme. We decided to cover it by using PVC tablecloth to prevent the artwork of the t-shirt from fading.
I'm not trying to be your part-time lover. Sign me up for that full-time, I'm yours. I just wanna use to react. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'm not falling in love with the one that could break my heart. 잠깐일지도 몰라 우리 모두 찾았어 헤매는 걸까. You on my mind, think about you all the time. My body pulsing night and day. But my head is feeling low away. Sometimes you gotta lose somebody just to love someone more. What a man gotta do, what a man gotta do is dynamite. See your love, raise your face to the sky, my love. Together we can take it higher. Wanna move to the heart, wanna move to the heart. Switching the positions for you. Live without me, you wanna, but you can't.
A few moments later.
Here is the final outcomes of our group. We decorate these two storage boxes with doodles art. Color of black symbolizes all things negative, whereas white color represents a fresh start after suffering for some things. This is the place where we store our presentation board for each project. We divided it into 4 years and arranged according to semester. To prevent the board from getting wet, we use 4 bricks to elevate it. In front of the storage box, we make a door frame and cover it with transparent plastic. Next, this is the place to display seniors' artwork. We hang the clothes and keep sculpture and masks inside it.
Hello everyone, this is Group B and we are in charge of the 2018 to 2019 batch. Here we would like to share some behind the scenes footage of our progress during this 3-week project. So enjoy! Moving on to the craft work process, we bought and prepared all materials that are needed for the storage. We also utilized our existing workshop in our school. We did all the cutting, smoothing, hammering, and painting work. It was tiring, yet a fun experience.
Finishing our final touch of craft work, we then managed to organize all artworks according to each semester and subject. We also labeled them accordingly with a nice laminate paper finish. that is all from us. Thank you for watching.